watch. If you watch carefully, you're gonna be able to see 18 years go right down the fucking drain. Watch. If you're not paying attention, you might miss it. Here it comes. There it goes. Boom. 18 years. Gone. 18 years. Gone. 18 years. Gone. 18 years. Gone.
Welcome to Chano. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating and controversial world of drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. These remarkable devices have revolutionized various industries with their adaptable applications from aerial photography and agriculture to personal surveillance. However, the story we're about to share takes a dramatic turn. Meet Zhang, a 33-year-old man from China who, driven by suspicion of his wife's behavior, turned to drone technology for answers. His unconventional use of a drone to conduct spousal surveillance uncovered startling truths and sparked widespread discussion. Join us as we explore the ethical and legal implications of this modern surveillance method and delve into the complex dynamics of trust and technology in personal relationships. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have revolutionized various industries with their adaptable applications. These remote-controlled robots are equipped with cameras and sensors, making them invaluable tools in fields such as aerial photography, agriculture, and increasingly personal surveillance. Recently, drones have found a controversial new application: spousal surveillance. The story of Zhang, a 33-year-old man from China, exemplifies this emerging use case. A 33-year-old man in China named Zhang became increasingly suspicious of his wife's behavior. Noticing her sudden distance and frequent absences, Zhang decided to investigate in an unconventional manner, using a drone. This modern method of surveillance would allow him to observe her movements without her knowledge. The changes in his wife's routine were stark and troubling. She often claimed to be visiting her parents or staying late at work, which was unusual. Feeling ignored and growing more suspicious, Zhang decided to take matters into his own hands. He purchased a drone equipped with a camera, hoping to uncover the truth. One day, Zhang discreetly launched the drone and began to follow his wife. The aerial footage provided a clear view of her actions. He watched as she got into a car and traveled.
Watch. If you watch carefully, you're gonna be able to see 18 years go right down the fucking drain. Watch. If you're not paying attention, you might miss it. Here it comes. There it goes! Boom! 18 years! Gone! 18 years! Gone!
Follow his wife. The aerial footage provided a clear view of her actions. He watched as she got into a car and traveled to a secluded mountainous area. The drone recorded her meeting with another man, and the two of them walked hand in hand to an old, rundown house. The footage showed them entering the house, where they stayed for about 20 minutes. Afterward, they returned to the car and drove to the factory where Zhang's wife worked. It became evident to Zhang that the man she was meeting was her boss, and their secret meetings were held away from the factory to avoid suspicion. Zhang was devastated by the revelation, but felt vindicated. He decided to use the drone footage as evidence in his divorce proceedings. The video, which he shared on social media, quickly garnered attention and sparked widespread discussion. Many were impressed by Zhang's innovative use of technology to uncover the truth, while others saw it as a cautionary tale about the importance of loyalty in relationships. The use of drones for spousal surveillance raises significant ethical and legal questions. While drones offer a powerful means of gathering information, their deployment in personal matters can infringe on privacy rights. Laws and regulations governing drone usage vary by country, and individuals must navigate a complex landscape to ensure their actions are legal. In many jurisdictions, recording someone without their consent, especially in private settings, can lead to legal repercussions. Additionally, the ethical implications of using technology to spy on loved ones are profound. Trust and communication are fundamental to personal relationships, and resorting to surveillance can erode these foundations. This incident highlights the evolving use of drones in personal and private matters, illustrating both the technological advancements and the ethical dilemmas that come with such surveillance methods. Thank you for watching this intriguing episode on Chano. The story of Zhang and his use of drones for spousal surveillance opens up a conversation about technology, ethics, and personal relationships. We hope you found it thought-provoking. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more stories like this. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, keep exploring the fascinating world around you. But their capabilities extend beyond beautiful landscapes. Drones can be our eyes in the sky. They record video, they take pictures, and sometimes they reveal secrets. Drones offer convenience and excitement, but they also raise concerns. Privacy is a big one. Where is the line between observation and intrusion? Zhang's story forces us to confront this question.
The drone followed her, capturing every step she took with an unblinking eye. It was a silent observer, recording her every move from above. It captured her meeting a man, their interaction seemingly innocent at first glance, but the drone's lens saw everything. They embraced. They kissed. The drone hovered, documenting their intimate moment. The images on my phone confirmed my worst fears. Each frame was a dagger to my heart. The truth was a bitter pill to swallow. My mind raced with questions. Overwhelmed with anger and betrayal, I posted the drone footage online. It was a desperate act, driven by a need for justice. I wanted the world to see her infidelity. The footage was undeniable. The video spread like wildfire, reaching corners of the internet I never knew existed, igniting a firestorm of reactions. Some were sympathetic, others judgmental, but all were captivated by the unfolding drama.
Section 5. The price of suspicion, the crumbling foundation of trust.
My drone footage had exposed my wife's infidelity, but at what cost?
His actions sparked a debate about privacy and trust. Had he gone too far? Was this a justified use of technology?
The internet was divided. Some applauded me for uncovering the truth. Others condemned my methods, arguing that I had violated my wife's privacy.
The incident became a cautionary tale about the erosion of trust in the digital age.